Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the background of your videos on Zoom. Go to video here, go to video settings, and if you went to background and effects, you go to virtual backgrounds. You can select from these here, or you can add in an image or video from your files. And I just selected this image from my files, and that is it. That's how you can change your video background on Zoom. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. I hope you stayed till the end. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.